to Alpha 1. We are now going to be trading some binary option here at IQSense. So just bear with me while I start everything, and we will see how much money we can make in this live session. So just bear with me. Sorry for that. Let's see. Now first, let's log in. I will take a look that everything is okay, that we are live. Let me see. Okay, looks like everything is in order. We can start this live session. Now, let's remove this to here, but just keep, not this one also, you just keep into the ones that pay us more than 70%. And we are also going to add a few. Let's see. Okay, and lastly, this one. Cool. Then we got quite a lot. Now let's see if we can find ourselves some good trades today. Now let's see. For me, this area down there looks pretty darn amazing. Sell market. Reason for that is that we do see that this is a strong support. That means will be a strong resistance. That means will be a strong support also. So let's zoom in. We are going to take a trade there. Let's do this. Now let's see if we can get down there again. That is. We are ready. So now let's see what we can do here. So our entry down there, that would be pretty darn good. I need to zoom like this. There, I think that looks nicer, right? Yeah, I like that. Let's see. We are ready. And almost. Would love to get a win the first trade of the day. This could be one good one. I did take a trade there. Cool, you're in. Then let's move on. I was at 200. I was not supposed to do 200 in the start. I typically do 100. Let's see, as long as it doesn't break down here now, yes, I think that will be okay. But I will go to change to 100. I don't like to start with 200. That is a mistake. Let's reset this chart. I don't see anything I would like to trade just right here. Okay, good. We got a good trade there, by the way. The meaning was not to take a $200 trade, but it was a good one, so we got it. So $156 profit. I take that. Though I'm not. Now you see he's breaking a little below, so I'm not going to take. I will mark it and follow, but I'm not going to take more trades here right now. We are going to wait. But good, we got a good start of the day. I take that. Now the bottom here is actually darn good. I will mark it. It might be something. I would say even down there to about there. You see, it was resistant here, then turned support, broke here, but you know what? I think we can easily take a trade in between these lines with $100 trade. Let's wait and see. In the top here, let's take a look. I do like the top also. There's somewhere around there. I will count it, of course. Let's take a look. Good, 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 good. Loose. Good, loose. Good, 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 good. As you hear, we heard good many more times than and not good, so we take that one up here. So that means we have a trading zone, though it is a little space in between them. We also can maybe go for a support here later, because it looks quite good also. But for now, let's keep these two. Let's see how we can do. By the way, I was thinking about let everyone copy me automatically on Forex. I was just changing over to CTrader for my funded account. The problem is that I have set up a funded account that I have as a demo account, and that means if you have a demo account, you can't share your trades. So that is an implication. This is from my funded FX. So I see that they put my CTrader account as demo. A little strange, but that's what they have done. Okay, looks like we're losing here now. Was not so good as I thought. But you know what, down here, I like it also. If you can go down there. Yes. I think we got a trade here like we have seen before. Let me do a reload. Let me see. And you do trades. Cool. Yes. We lost the first. Let's put that into the calculation. -100. And he's shooting up here now, but at least that is good for our second trade. The reason for the second trade is that you see down here is a good area of support also. So I did just go in the second line of defense with a new trade. And you see that was a good trade. So in the end we just lost $29 on that trade. So plus 71, so our profit is 127, but we also have an $8 lot. We'll let this collect a little today and take it a little later. But for now, let's move on. Let's zoom out, see if this is an area. Let me see. It does look like it's a little difficult as it is so huge. I think for now we skip it. Skip. Now let's see here. This area there. Problem is that you see over here he did go high, quite high. Here did go quite high. Not here, so probably he will go a little higher. So for now we need to stay away from this one. Let's move on. Like I said before, always when you're trading, pay attention to the left. Here, that is looking amazing, but as I'm doing things fair, I will typically open a trade there, but I'm not doing it because I want you all to have the same opportunity. So now I marked it, now I'll take it if you got up there again. That's it. Ooh, I got a trade here. I'll take one more. There. Okay, second trade was better, but none of them was amazing. That's it. We will move on, of course. Let's We do have a small chance to win both, but at least I think we should win one. Now, when that is said, none of them have been in the money till now. What's going on? Are you shooting up? You're shooting up. You're losing both. Woohoo! Okay. What was not what we were hoping for. I just take minus 200 on this. This week started a little bad, I need to admit, but we are just starting this live session, so let's not be too negative here now. I do like the bottom. Let's mark it about there, about, let's say there. I will enter easily a trade there. And you know what? I'll take a $200 trade. Let's see. 200 is my max bid, so just so you're aware. Let's see. If we now I need a good entry. I'm not going to have a bad entry more trades. No, I need the best. There we are in. Oh, yeah. I think my entry came below the line, so I think the next trade will be 100 because you're going to win that trade. I am going to say positive there now. This was a good trade. Now let's see here. Do you like this area here? This is an old area from yesterday, I think, but you're not going to trade that now. Let's go here. This area down here, if it was not for this one breaking too much down, would be a nice area for trade. Let's bring up this one. Oh, it's 20 seconds left yet. It's a lot of time. So we can't count this as a win yet. Let's see here. No, we are not doing that. Let's check the dollar against svenska kronar. Yep, we won that one. Then let's go back and see if we can have more trades there. Plus 156, we like that. Plus 156, and we are $83 in profit. Now let's see. I want a better trade on that. I think the entry came there. Do you know what? I'm not going to take 2 trades on this one. We have done that mistake so many times before. I'm not going to do that. The mistake is that most of the time we have done that. You just shoot down and we get 2 losers. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to trade 1 and 1 trade from now on, even though if I got bad entries. So let's, and do you know what? The entry is not that bad. It is right above the line. Most of the time you see that should be a winner. But let's see, he's pushing quite hard down now, so let's see now how the next few seconds deal with this trade. You lost it. We lost it because of bad entry. We lost the bad entry because if we had a good entry, we would have won. But it is okay. We are minus 100. Take this $18 up here. And do you know what? We are $1 in profit. So we are printing money here today. $1 profit. Now we are talking. Okay, let's see. I need to get some good entries now because we can't be losing trades because of bad entries. This one we lost because of bad entry. And we need to start to get some good ones here now. So let's see. I'm ready because this one is still active. And let's see. I would love to get a good entry. Good entry for me would be just get a trade below this blue line. If I can do that, I think we'll win. Once again, I got my trade a little above it. This annoys me. I don't like it when I get bad entries. I will move on, of course. See, I can't be sitting waiting, looking all the trades. We need to check if we can get more trading opportunities. See, we are now out of the money here now. But I think this entry was a little better than the last. Let's see. But do not, looks like we are losing again. And once again, a bad entry, and we got it right above it. I take one more there now. There we have a good one. I told I was not going to do that again, but sorry, I did it. I'm not supposed to do 2 trades on one. It's a little scary, but do note this entry is not that bad. Typically we should win it. Don't tell me you're going to lose both. And do note here, is this related? No, it's not. Because I see this one is breaking downwards very hard. I'm nothing related with this one. But why we are out of money so long time? What's going on? Don't tell me he's breaking down. It's happening again. It's happening again. We go in the 2 trades and he shoot down. This week have been very, very hard. Okay, minus 200. Just sweet. And it's not updating even. Let's go reload. Okay, we have a very good win rate today, as you can see. We are printing money. Let's tell ourselves that. I'll think I go from the start now. Let's see. This area, we need a good entry. First of all, I have not got one good entry on the first trade yet. That is really necessary. Let's see. Let's see. If we can just get ourselves a trade on there. Currently, we are $299 minus. Very depressing. Let's see, we're getting close. I do see a trend, but it's nothing to worry about yet. Let's see. We need a little more push down to get in. If we count this, for example, let's take from here. 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is a loss. Bad entry. Let's say that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Losses. 1, 2, this is not. So 2 losers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a good area down there. But we see here we have a support. So we need to choose if we to. It's more like a squeeze here now. If we choose to go up, we are done. If we go down, we can play a little longer, and we know that this trend will come later, but we will have space for now. But now he needs to choose if we're going to break this support here or break this trend. So for our case, it's better he break the support. So we come down to our area down here. Let's see. The squeeze is coming here now. We can mark it, so it's more fun to see. It's here. Let's make this a different color, not a tradable color, white. So you see here now it's coming a squeeze. He needs to choose: are he going to break this this trend line or this support? And we are hoping the support white line is going to break, but we see he's breaking more and more upwards here now. But this might be a fake out for him to break down. Let's see. And now he's pushing hard down, and looks like he broke it. It's not broken yet. This can be a fake out. He might close inside. But you see the fight you have between this trend line and this support line. Because now here is coming into a squeeze, as I told you. But looks like he's choosing to break downwards. That means he'll come into our area down here. Okay, now we are ready. And do you know what? We got a good entry. We got a good entry for once. For once we got a good entry. So if you lose this, it's not because of bad entry. And that's something I like. Now, I'm thinking, let's see here now. This area is actually pretty darn good, and we won it. Haha, we take that. Plus 156. That is good. Let's count here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not counting this and this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count that as a loser. 8, 9, 10. And let's count 2 losers. And this, I think, is just 1. It's just a couple of each other. So you see we have a lot of wins here. I will do a $200 trade here also, and let's see if we can get it inside here. Because when you get good entries, I feel so good about myself. And with one more win now, we are back into profit. That's sweet. So let's see. We might get a trade here now. Oh, we want better than this. Better than this. There, and wow, we got a good entry. One more good entry. Here we are still in the squeeze, so we can't trade more here. We see that clearly. We see the entry we got here was pretty darn sweet, but nothing we can do. Oh, don't tell me we are losing here now. But the entry is good, so if we lose, I'm okay with it. We're going to go in here and see what's going on. If it's a clear loser or what's going on. Okay, it's breaking downwards, so thankfully it was a good entry. We just did take one. And do you know what? You see, if you start to go up now, I will be annoyed. I prefer him to go down now. But that was a $200 loss. So minus 200. So we are back to 343 now. Okay. This area down here, I closed a little low, so I will wait to see what also. Did break a little too low for me to want to trade this. Now let's pay attention here. Don't have enough to be justifying a trade there. Okay, he broke below. Okay, he's really going downwards, so I don't see nothing I want to trade down there yet. Now let's take a look up here. One. I think a good entry there could be something. Let's see. But I think I would like to have it about there. If we can do that. We just can get a good entry up there now. That would be nice. Almost. As you see, I'm in the sideline here now, waiting, and I want a good entry. So if you keep pushing too hard up, he will eventually break it. Let's see. We need some good trading here now. Let's zoom in some more. If we could just get it about this blue line, I would feel so good about the trade. Let's see. Not yet. Let's see. Still waiting for that good trade. Let's see. Starting to like this bottom area also, need to admit. Let's see. You close it low. That's bad for the bottom area. You know me, I don't choose two that is closer, so I chose the better one up here. something here. That area up there, it looks good. Let's see if I can just mark it. From there up to there, I need to take a look. Good enough. You can say up all the way up there can go to. So if you can get an inch more line around this line there, it might be decent enough. Let's see. And the bottom here. Let's mark it at least. Let's see. Something in line of, I'll say there, till about there. Let's do like this. I will take entry there also. Let's see. So we have ourselves a trading zone here now. I call the trading zone when I have a bottom area and the top area. How are we in time? We are just halfway, so we have a lot of time left. Now let's see. If we can get ourselves a trade out there, that will be pretty darn nice. Still waiting. We will eventually get one of them, of course, so we just need to stay a little patient here now. Let's see. Okay. We might get one in the top now. I'm ready. Still holding a little here. See, he need to break this area here. Is some small type of resistance around here, we see that he will need to break to get up to our area. Looks like he's doing it right now. That means we need to be ready. My hope is to get an entry more or less around the top of these spikes here. If we could get an entry there, I would feel very strongly that that would be a winner. So you see the highest close that was around here. If you can get higher than that, that would be so nice. So let's see. It's about everything is about getting the higher probability of a winning trade. So now let's see. And that was very close. Very close again. I have my wow, a think we got a good one there. I'll get myself some water while we wait this one. Let's see. Wow, we are deep. We are deep in money. Got to load that. That was a win, right? 156. Got to load that. That's 156. So that was a good one. Let's continue like that. I don't see any form of trend or nothing forming, so we are good in upper and lower and upper area. I need to say correct, right? So let's see if we can get up here again. I'll take it. I'm doing the trick. I'm holding the mouse here, so when I let go, so that's also something you can do. Hold your mouse down and down. If you're not taking trade, just move your mouse away and let go. When I'm pushing here, I have pushed down the button, and when I let go, the trade is taken. Okay. That's it. That makes I take a trade much faster. Now we're far away, so I move away. That's something when you start to come up around here, I take here, I push down the left button and I hold, and when I let go, the trade is taken. That means a little faster to take a trade, you know. So when you get close, I'll do that. Just so we need that super good entry. And now, for example, I hold down the mouse. I'm ready. If you get up there, let's see. And if I will need to move my mouse away from this red button, like see I do now, and I let go, and the trade is not taken. You see? We might see a trend forming here now. I will mark it at least. Something like this. But for now we have much space, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, we might get something about on there now. Getting some alarms. Okay. Now you see this was broken, that's a good thing. I don't like trend lines. Let's see here now. good trading button here. Little boring right now, I'm aware, but we have 2 active zones, so I'm not going to move away from here. And we did get a winning trade here, so okay, let's see. How are we in time? We still have a good ish 15 minutes left. So we should be able to get some more trades. And hopefully we do, because we are currently $187 in minus. I think with one winning trade now and taking the up here, we should be 0. So if we can get 2 more trades, we should turn profit, and that would be nice. But let's see. Okay. But the good thing, I see 0 forming of any type of trends. We have a little sideways market going on here, so that is pretty good. Even though we are not getting any trades. When it starts to come down there, I will just do the same like I did with this one. I will hold down the bottom and let go if we come below here. Preferably, I would want to have an entry below this bar here. Let's see what the opportunities we get from it. Now might be the top. Basically, I start to be ready when it come up here, and I start to be ready when it come down here. Let's make ourselves a ready line. Let's take one there. Let's make this one a white line. Be ready if we pass this one. And here, let's make a ready line here. So if you pass this line, we are ready for sale. If you pass this one, so now we can just relax. As long as we don't cross these 2 lines, we don't need to be ready for nothing. So right away, this bar here now cross here, I will basically move my mouse here, push down the bottom, be ready for trade out there. Now I can just relax. So it's just so you can see my thought process, how I will deal with this. It's just so we don't end up doing a mistake, because a mistake can be that you hold here and we do a mistake and take a trade in between here. That would be just gambling. Let's see. Okay. But yeah, it's taking a little longer time than I wanted. Now it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we are ready. I won't now wait and see how this bar will play out, and I'll move my mouse away if, yeah, we move my mouse away. But yes, that was the first warning that you could get a trade on there. Yeah. But yes, that will be a few minutes left since we're taking the trade. Like I said, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 10th minute. So I understand it's boring, but we will need to wait here because it's below sideways market, and that means if we get a trade, it's a high probability for win. And we need that now. I am not holding down on my mouse. I only hold down my mouse when we pass this white line, and I'll have an entry in between here. Okay, we are not trading anything in between here. It's between here. This is just for us to push down the button and be ready for a trade. Because we don't want more bad entries. Let's see. But yeah, like I said, it's taking incredible long time for a trade. And we do have a trading zone, so you're just playing in between. Now I'm holding down, and I was a little slow. I could have taken a trade down there. I think the trade come there. Looking back to the side, it's decent. It's perfect now, but it's decent. Let's see how long time we have left. I think my entry is around here. As long as yeah, we are deep in the money. We will win this trade. Like I said, my entry is decent, nothing perfect. I don't come down again. We were deep in the money. Then, oh, come on now, give me a win. 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. No, we did not get it. Was a loss in the last second. We have seen that so often in other live sessions, and we did see it again. He did shoot below it right in the last second. That's something that annoys me tremendously. That annoys me when these type of things happen. But we are in the money all the time, and in the last, like, you see zero even in money. That is the going down below it. I hate when that happens. I just hate it. Now let's see. Again there now. We really need a very good entry. We have seen that we need that. And now I don't know what happened. Let's do a reload. Did I get the trade here? This have you guys also seen have happened the last few live sessions. I think my entry is around. Oh, it's around here. Looks like it's here. Yeah. Take one more there. Now let's see how. If you can win this 2 now, would be nice, but we haven't seen the market have not played along with us so well today. Come on now, if you can win here now, that would make me happy. Of course, we could not win it. What I'm talking about. Minus 200. We lost 1 more. Of course we did. Or do we have extra? No, I don't understand. Did we get an extra trade here now? Or what happened? Yeah, we did. Okay, then we did not lose more. Okay. So let's take plus 156. Plus 156. Let's see. are currently 275 in minus. I will collect this in the end. I think we need 2 more winners. How are we time about that? Around 5 minutes left, so I'm not holding my breath, but let's see. I don't want one more losing mic session. Let's see. Zoom out a little to see a little better. We are ready. I'm ready for a trade down there now. Holding. Take a trade there. Now let's see. And one there. Now let's see how this will play out. If you could just swap in with both, that would be, I would deserve it. I would get an amazing. Let's see. Okay, he's testing this one. That means I should be far away from this one, so I might lose. Come on now. Win in the last second, that would be amazing. Of course, will not happen. Okay, we take minus 200 plus 156. Okay, let's go back, see if we have more trades there. Okay, I don't like what I'm seeing here, so I will stay away. Looks like we're done with that one. Let's take this $42 in the top, plus 42. We still have a little time left, so if we can find something nice in the end now. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, you should pass it, then you don't take it. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, these are a pair. Got the entry. Now let's see. I am in. Don't show, but I'm in. We can do a reload. So we get. We are in it. And I will take more trades, but I think the entry now would like to be around there. Let's see. We won that one. 144 plus 144. Entry there. Good entry. Let's see. have a nice entry there. As long as he don't break up. Okay, he did. So I'll take a trade bump there. No, I don't know what's going on. Did we take a trade up? It's too much errors here now on my end. Okay. We did. So we are winning that one. Or do we? No. He did manage somehow to give me a loss here. How annoying is that? He did just go up to give me a loss and then to continue. I guess. I think that was a loser. He did just play with us here now. Yeah. We stop. I'm tired of this week. We will be back again tomorrow. This is just garbage.